Nginibingelele babukeli emakhaya, and thank you once again for tuning in Mbukeli. This is your number one show. It is Mind Over Mental. Ukubingelela kona namuhla ngumbali wakasimelana umngoni Mpembe Ndebze Mqhawane Mbukeli. I'm so excited today because we're talking about a very important topic in Zaba mental health, especially around this time of the year. I'm not doing it alone as usual. I have an expert in Tabile Wakamnisi who's going to be helping us through the day. Tabile, I'm so excited. Welcome back.
Thank you.
You are part of us, like
Yeah,
sister. It's not even a case. I'm not even allowed to say that, but welcome back. You look beautiful.
Thank you, Mbali.
Thank you so much. And we are talking about mental health, especially during this time of the year. Why are we talking about mental health? Because we are all happy, like, why? Why are we there today?
Yeah. December.
Yeah.
Some people call it umcimbi season.
Yes.
So you can expect to get also it's the birth of Jesus.
Yes.
Celebrate birthday in our very own ways. So these are times that come with their own different ways of celebrating. Kunemisimeto tsite lesivama kuyenda. Ukhanza kokuthi ngalokho sema holiday maningi as well. Bamfungisona isikhathi labakhetha khona kokuthi Malobolo among place at this time of the year. Umshado among when at this time of the year.
Yes.
So nasetitolo ngilakudetindali khona people are expecting to buy sitfole bonus emisebentini. The year is ending, people are reflecting am goals ami ngiwa-achievile yini kuphume results, am I going to the next grade? So onke lawa mbali ma-dynamics lokhanza kokuthi ahlukile than the rest of the year.
Yeah.
So they will come with somewhat unique mental health challenges and stresses compared to nagu just media.
Yeah. Before it even gets down to I think it's in Scholar as well and other things, we're gonna get to that. But what's the common disorder during this season?
Okay, ambalwa. Research says that during this time of the year, people who struggle with mental health, that is when usually their conditions worsen. Yes. So anxiety. Anxiety is a category. Social anxiety, both generalized anxiety, both obsessive compulsive disorder. Anxiety related because nangabe ngihoste bantu, ngihoste family members. Certain things like how kanza simake teacher akatsanzi ditsinve. Utsanza stimfo tsite so. Lone OCD we are triggered during that time because I constantly have to clean around.
Yes.
I constantly have to cater.
Yes.
Banabo social anxiety. We are not all extroverts. Lokhanza kokuthi siyakhona socialize asileke 24/7. Labanye bayadraineka. But because of the many gatherings, people get anxious.
Yeah.
Depression around this time of the year. Now there's a high unemployment rate in the country. Lo mnyuta uthi bengitshele 2025 ngumnyaka wami. Avamile mabandla ukhanze akhipha ama slogans ukuthi this is your year. But lo mnyaka uphela wena umsebenzi awukawutholi awukakhoni ku-contributor kulo mcimbi wala ekhaya awukhoni ku-grossa uva ngathi nesifundi sakho sicekelela phansi. This leads to things like both depression. There's things like both trauma mbali. This is a time of the year where there is a lot of traveling on the road. Timpilo tiyaphela emgaqweni kuyacatshanwa in the instances where because besicelebrate sinatha sesiyacabana sesiyagwazana uyakubona. That leads to trauma because those are deaths that are sometimes sudden. So there's a lot of grief. Nangabe mhlambe your loved ones, you lost your loved ones ekhathi neminyaka. Kuba sikhathi lokhanza ukuthi khona ngilakuvuleka khona leti lonza na reality ukuthi so and so akasekho. During this time of the year ngabe senda naku ngabe sikuphi. So things like that, grief, trauma, anxiety, depression, suicide as well. Now buka ukuthi umfana esikolwa ubona everyone like haya happy but yena akakapass. These are the times lokhanza kokuthi labanye bayahamba bayodikhunga. Ulama family gatherings, sometimes ukhanza ukuthi I have to confront this person who was my abuser, who sexually assaulted me, or stepmother lebesingangithanzi kufuna ngihleke ngento engathi konke kahle. So these are times where a lot of people get triggered and it worsens their mental health conditions. Yeah,
talking about grief and stuff, because a lot of us think that this is jabula song is jabdile.
Exactly.
And that's not the point. I like the fact that you highlighted that good labanye are still grieving during this time. I think it's taking me back. It took us 5 years at home to to get to celebrate Christmas because one of our members is not around, you know. But it got to a point where you're saying, you know what, if he was here, we were going to celebrate, so let's move. So, but how do people navigate around those people around? Because you are happy in your corner and the other one is sad in the bedroom because, you know, they're still dealing with it. How do you navigate around that?
It's not an easy one, Mbali, and I don't know if there is a one-size-fits-all of coping, but we also need to understand context your grief. We will not all grieve the lost loved one ngendlela lefana nako, uyakubona. Khona lokho kwenza ukuthi yena kutamthatha isikhathi to accept, uyakubona. Umention 5 years, which some people might not understand ukuthi phela 5 years, Christmas is still not the same. You're still grieving this person because we siphola ngetindlela letehlukile ne duration umuntu ngeke umkalele ukuthi ufuna ukhala isikhathi lesingakanani uphole nasekunjani. It counts ukuthi lo muntu longasekho beka significant kangakanani kuwe, uyakubona. So it's a matter of just being attentive, pay attention to each other. If usiyati, maybe this is the time where we can talk about this lost loved ones, you know, to memorialize them. Guti, guys, how are you coping? You know, we know guti, during this time of the year, so and so ageko, we miss him. What are ways we can celebrate this person to remember them, even though angaseko, just to feel like, you know, at some much they are still a part of us. Yes. Ngiyafuna nekungeda on inzaba ye grief mbali guti, grief is not only futhi in the context of a death, close naye. There's many things that we are grieving at the end of the year. Lo munye break up nesithandwa sakhe, uyakubona. Akakayitholi that morning le SMS lethi Merry Christmas thandwa sami. Akakapholi lama gifts or those holidays. And so for them that loss is a grief. Lo munye ulahlekelwe ngumsebenzi, uyakubona. Lo munye akakaphasi. So these are all things we need to be mindful of to say it might not be grief ukuthi kushoniwe la ekhaya, but so and so is grieving ukuthi next year guy to the next level of school.
You mentioned Anastara would say this is a time a lot of people show off certain things. This is what I've done, and even conversation wise, sometimes Mama party would say, and this is what I've done, and this is what I'm planning to do. Things different. How do they deal with that in terms of conversation? Because because of things like that.
Look, it's good day one size fits all again now Google Mbali because kukhona lona lokhanza ukuthi ukhetha ukuthi yena ngeke ekhaya and etamsebenzela lokunga ekhaya because ngidawo ekhaya njengoba ngisho ukuthi now I have to confront my abuser and sengi triggered and sengikhanza sengibuyele emuva. So if it's a more safer and healthier option ngokuthi let me not go home, let me rather celebrate with ifamily yami yalastandini or ifamily yami yasemsebenzini. If that is what works for you, it's okay. But lona lokhanza ngokuthi vele kufuna ngiye ekhaya and face these people. Hamba unel plan lakho, you know, to say what are the ways in which I will care for myself in this instance. Nase ngibabona ukuthi hayi bomzala sebadle kakhulu sebacala tinkhulumo lengasativa khwesha lapho uyakubona. What is your safety plan? What are the coping mechanisms that I'll be using to make sure gogoguti I'm okay. Communicate as well. Sometimes it helps to communicate in advance, but to say yati phela I'm still dealing with this trauma or I'm struggling with depression nganazafuna ngiyacela kokuthi angeke ngikhone kuyohlakula ensimini ngibe khona langa lonke bamvabakethu ngiziniwe kune end of year stress ngiyatsinga nekuphumula and people can be accommodating at times as long as we communicate.
Communication is very important. Tabile, we're going to go for an ad break. Nasibuya sitsa inzaba much drug abuse because now it's very known during this time of the year, during the festive season. Bogeli, we are going to come back now. Tabile, let's call me say inzaba lemqoka kakhulu inzaba mental health during this festive season. Don't go anywhere. A lot is still coming. Welcome back, Mbugeli. You're still watching Mind Over Meta. Especially during this season. I'm talking about the festive season, the importance of mental health during this important and beautiful season. January. I can't wait for December. Already January. Start 2026. Already people will be talking about this is what I want to do and this is what I want to achieve. And I think it's cool. You always have
New Year's resolutions.
Exactly.
And goals and things like that.
But have you ever had a person who walks in in your office at CIT I planned and it didn't work out, and right now I feel like I'm crashing because I feel like I'm a loser or whatever, you know what I mean? Because I have nothing to present.
Definitely, it happens, you know. And I think sometimes siba hard on ourselves as human beings. Mas plana, yes, we are well intended. You know what? Television board yami, this is how I want to progress. I want to study. As much as nathi siplana, there's unforeseen circumstances that happen in life. Sometimes impilo isilethele ama detours lesingakawa plan. Uyakubona kunekwenteke ukule and you know fall into a depression or have a physical condition. Sekushoni logo for some time I'm not able to function in my business. For some time angikhoni kufunza njengoba bengifunzile and I miss classes. Sekufuna ngiyidefer leyo exam and angisagraduating ngesikhathi bengisicabanga, you know. Someone passed in my family, you know, and I had to go through a time of grieving. Sometimes for some people, harsh in terms of my expectations and achieve. Then they rob themselves from the process of grieving. They rob themselves of the opportunity to say, let me take better care of myself. Next year ufika sengi healthy, ufika sengi grivile kwenza, during the time because sekuba complex the next time. Now there's complicated grief, now there's complex trauma and things like that. So it happens, Mali, but the key thing here is be kind to yourself. Take inventory, but really, was it just my fault? Because I may have gone through a breakup and that breakup required me to go through a time of grieving and not being myself. Of course, I was going to be disrupted. My plan
But are people open in discussion to have conversations like this one? I tried to plan 1, 2, 3 and it didn't work out, and today I'm here and I'm crashing. Or it's something that you see when for yourself as a professional person, good to know this is not just about the headache or you not being able to sleep. The problem is this.
There is a lot of self-blame, there is a lot of self-criticism, there is a lot of comparison to other people. There is no setback, and that is where then I come in to say, okay, but impilo specifically, what was on Bali's shoulders during this time of the year? What else was a responsibility? Le divert my funds, so oftentimes and take inventory. For my life specifically, December so forgetting the lived experience of each and every person.
Yeah, true, very true. Talking about the expense, Tabile, I think we're gonna touch on inzaba yema drugs. I'm not gonna buy drugs, but their friends or relatives and they want to celebrate together. They find themselves hooked up. Even after a festive season, they are still hooked up on that. What can you say? Words of encouragement to navigate around that time of the year?
Thank you, Mbali. First things first, I think there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with alcohol use, but it depends on the level of consumption. It's alcohol abuse that now is a problem. Justify turned water into wine because alcohol itself very good, but levels of tolerance happy, but they are now drowning their sorrows. So during this time of the year, most of what you find is binge drinking. Mangsi binge drinking socializer, but bunengi bu accessible I do it excessively. And when that happens now, my decision making is affected. A friend Also, this is a time because sibaningi there's gatherings and everyone is happy, but aliba busy. Asibamonithi bantfwana ngendlela, uyakubona. Kanti ngisho ngathi lakhaya, some of the people that we live with are our own relatives in Bali are predators, uyakubona. Because I'm not monitoring bantfwana correctly, nasebadlile kakhulu tihlobo tethu khanza ukuthi setiyaganga seti abuse abantwana sekunabo sexual assault. There is also underage substance abuse ngaleso sikhathi bomzala abasejozi baphethe bete nemark kuthiwa yini ma vape uyakubona. So uya experimenta umntana, so experimenta nangabonisangwe. So these are all the things lokhanza say this time of the year we really need to be vigilant and watch out for. Mangabe uyatata ukuthi yathi kuthini nangihambile ngayakazi bani noma sayakagogo sinabo mzala I won't have much control. Angimane ngihlale endlini nemndeni wami nebampa bami. Uyakubona.
Yeah, to save myself.
Exactly.
Tabile, we're saying a lot of things that really make sense, especially around this time of the year. Mbugeli, we are still going to go for an air break for now, but when we come back, I hope you have a notebook with you, just like me, taking notes of everything that we are talking about today, because it's going to help you and it's going to help your relative as well. But for now, don't go anywhere. Welcome back, Mbugeli. Sohleli naye Mbali wakaSimelane umnguni impembe Ndlebe Zimcawane angihambi ngedwa ngihamba naye Thabile wakamnesi sikhulumisa indaba mental health during this very busy time, festive season. Thabile, I think this is a very busy season. We are all happy. Everyone is loud. Everyone is everywhere. But how do we actually identify a person who's struggling? You know, let's not say, Yabona, I need to help this person, or I need to get help from Thabile.
No, that's a beautiful question, Bali, especially because people are very good at masking and people are very good at hiding their pain.
Yeah.
So first things first, I think we are Bati Bamfu who went through difficulties during the year empilweni yakho ukuthi oh so and so bengisebenza naye wamphelela umsebenzi, so and so shonelwe ngumntali wakhe and things like that. Those are the people to check on this time of the year, uyakubona. Mhlambe ngeke avete na alicelo lelo sito, but take it upon yourself as a friend, as a colleague, to say, you know what, let me check on so and so, uyakubona. Angithi nangiphekile ngende bo trifle ekhaya, you know, nangabe nginaso isikhathi, let me pass by ngimixele. And sometimes it's not ukuthi mhlambe me checking on them ukuthi sengiyakucounselor sekufuna ungicocele inkinga yakho, you know, sekusizi, but your presence sometimes, you know, with lo muntu sesiyaxoxa sesiyahleka isikhathi siyahamba and the day feels shorter, uyakubona. That person feels a lot more supported. So it's important ukuthi pay attention to those you know ukuthi they went through difficulty in the time of the year. Number two, some will show the signs, uyakubona. Dawukhanza ukuthi lo munye uyati isolator sihledi mhlambe sisetafuleni or siphase isihlahla kumnanzi but yena akafuni kuhlanganyela, you know. That is telling ukuthi this is someone lo ungakhoni ukujabula and something is going on, you know. We also don't listen to our bodies enough, Mbali, yabo, especially in the case of bamfana labancane. Umfana lo mncane ngeke athi Andy, I'm stressed, you know, because maybe they don't even know what stress is. Yabo, or I'm grieving, sengikhumbule babelo shonile. But itabana lokutitila nje lokuncane ukuthi nyalo ngibulawa inhloko, nyalo hlushwa sisi, nyalo uyahlanda, nyalo khala ngathi kubuhlungu. In those minor ailments are the body saying yathi overwhelmed, something is going on. As the adult, you take it upon yourself to follow up and ask them, okay, well, what's going on? What were you thinking about? You know, are you happy? What's making you unhappy? And ukhanza ukuthi umfana kanjalo so uyaboboka, uyakubona. Yes, but nje the general changes that we notice when people are stressed, domunye ukhanza ukuthi there's changes in our sleeping patterns, uyakubona. Silele but yena kushaya 5 so lubukela TV. Something is wrong there. Noma lomunye ulala kakhulu, uyakubona. Nasinatha leli hlobo lesiva ngathi okay fine sonke sijabulile but yena so uya kakhulu lapha ebhodleleni. It could be telling ukuthi mhlambe they are drowning their sorrows and they are needing a lot of more personal attention. So nje kunaka leto tenshwana and be vigilant, ask questions. Yeah.
Now I want you to go deep into how do we now support them properly during this time of the year, especially people that are going through a lot.
Yes. Support comes in many forms, njengoba ngishilo. You can't expect yourself as an individual to now play role yale professional, play role ya psychologist njengoba ngishito. Showing up for the person ngokuthi, you know what, ngulethele kudla, or oh, let's go for a drive, or come to my family. My family is having a lunch, you know. Those are the things mhlambe that take the person outside of their misery and of the constant thinking. Yabo. Kanjalo na isikhathi lesilokhanza ukuthi professionals mhlambe nabo letinye indzawo bavalile uyakubona tibhedlela, it's not everyone that is accessible. Those small coping mechanisms that you can assist your friend with, let's go for an exercise, you know. Exercise does a lot for stress in terms of relieving more tension and things like that. Let's go for a movie, let's have fun, let's go see a comedy, yabo sihleke kwenge, yabo. But in cases vele la uva ngakhona ngathi yathi kuthini sekuyecela sekudzinga a professional or sekubita ukuthi hand over to someone, we have bafundisi in our communities. These are people who sometimes are skilled with counseling. Nangabe ngiyathi kusimake kamakhelwane is, you know, a psychiatric nurse mhlambe, they can offer some sort of counseling. These are the people we can make use of in our communities before getting to a step now where I'm referring actually to a proper professional. And lo munye utawuthi hey psyche bathi kusethenhlanyeni ngesaba lapho. As a good friend, sometimes the best thing is ngidawuhamba now, you know what, stohamba sobangtili basibone sobangtili lapha ngeke bathi kuthi ngibani lo gulako yabo, because some people fear stigma and there's many misconceptions. So those are the small ways that you can support people.
Still talking about support, this is a time where Bamfa Besikolo also get results, and as parents nakusaqala nje umnyaka noma ke sekubhala ama exams, you always have ufuna uphase ke wangaphasi siyacabana, and it gets to a point where mhlawumbe akaphumeleli vele njengale ndlela naye bekafise ngayo because kuthi umfana wesikolo ngafuna ukuphumelela akasaphumeleli. How do we now treat that situation ukuthi si avoid it abantwana batibulalako because they are afraid of their parents or they are afraid of facing the community because of my results up?
It's a difficult one, Mbali. But first things first, njengoba usho ukuthi kude umfana lo hamba planning ukuthi ngidawufeyila namuhla uyakubona. So as a parent now, it's important to first of all manage your expectations. Uyamati umfana ukuthi what are my capabilities akhe, what are their struggles uyakubona, before being harsh and critical ukuthi why didn't you perform, why didn't you produce results. Now etibude ukuthi but did I provide all the support that I could I have got this person a tutor ngimyise kuma extra lessons esikolweni sona lesimo besikanjani. I've seen people in my practice labati buka ngikhane sinfola nyalo nge-third term thine tishela we English uyakubona. So konke lokho kutasifaka isandla ku performance yaloyo mntwana uyakubona. So khumbula ke ezinawo umntala ukuthi nakangakaphumeleli akusimnanzi la enhlitweni yakhe, so ngiyena mfana loyo lodzinga kusonzelelwa compared to actually nabalaba performile uyakubona. Yes, so angiyeke ngithi umfana nangabe ashile kanti bomkhudile kusistamshisa le stove nakasha, the first instance shouldn't be ukuthi ngutshelele ngaso utawusha uyalayeka. The first instance should be let me show them love, let me support them. Only then can I talk about consequences and punishment uyakubona. So starting point is that's a time where they need support and love and kindness and patience.
I think now to all the viewers watching, just a message of encouragement during this nice happy season. Just one word, just to encourage them.
Masatla Mahle, you have the right to define what Christmas is for yourself. Asingaye ngabo social media ukuthi bobani bende boma Christmas photo shoot bagcoke ama pijama bagcoke ama jazz lanjani. Wena iya ngelikhikhi lakho ukuthi mine yini levumako. If umcimbi wa kamzala angikhoni ku attenda because ku attenda means sekufuna ngiphume ku budget, ngiyofuna a makeup artist, ngiyothenga ingubo kani nebamfana ba expect impahla taKhisimusi, then I can't. It's okay to say no. Nika ukuthi nathi as other people and relatives, let us be understanding. Aksi personal umufuna that season. Sometimes it's I had to reprioritize. So let's just be kind and considerate.
I like the last part. Be kind and be considerate. Mbogeli, that is it for us. Namuhla ehlelweni Mind Over Matter. Ngithemba ukuthi kuningi lokufundzile namuhla Mbogeli, and now udakusebenzisa as you were taking notes through the show. From me Mbali Simelane, Umnguni Mpembe, Ndebuzwe Mchwane, and the rest of the team. Sithi nisale kahle, and we love you.